Hi, this is Ruchira. First of all, I want to thank toothsi for existing. I was worried about my crooked teeth for a long time, and suddenly one day I came across tootsi's advertisement on Instagram, and without thinking much, I just contacted on the given details for more information like the duration and the cost of the treatment. And it was really in my budget, so I just registered myself for the scanning, and that experience was really convincing and already giving confidence to smile without any awkwardness. The doctor also guided me about the whole treatment and made it easy. Then I got this kit which is very sorted, and I have completed all these sets, and now my teeth are better aligned and I feel more confident about my smile. Toothsi is the easy way to get your teeth aligned for a good hygiene of your mouth and for a better smile. So, again, thank you, Toothsi.